Welcome back to Carolina Road Cuddles. You can hear my dogs. They're losing their crap because I'm outside. But before the video started, we're going to go ahead and put this in the beginning. I've already done the video, but I'm like, hey, we got to talk about this. So, y'all voted for the Polaris XXs. You voted on that. I really thought that Sassy's would be closer. Nope, everybody wanted those, so I guess that would be. And the thing I did not think was going to happen was everybody voted for IRS. I did not see that coming. I really thought everybody wanted to stretch it because everybody always talks so good about the solid axles, but everybody was like, nah, we want IRS. I'm like, okay. No idea how we're going to do IRS. I have no idea where we're going to find the stuff. We'll figure it out though because y'all voted and that's how this build goes. So what's next? Should we try to do a snorkel? Well, I ain't worried about a snorkel. I don't need anything. Maybe colors. I'm trying to think what else we could vote on because honestly, I mean, maybe the color scheme because I would say snorkels, but we know we're going to snorkel it, and it's just going to be whichever one I can find easiest. Anyways, guys, back to the regular video. Just wanted to give you an update on the build because we're slowly getting there, and we still haven't fixed the four-wheel drive. You will see in this video. Go Brando. Anyways, catch you in there. Welcome back to Carolina Rut Cuddles. Today, we are taking Landon out with the Rancho, and we're taking the Popo 850 out. Because, y'all, we need to play in some mud. Landon wants to take the new Rancher out in the mud, so it's like, why not take him out? So without further ado, we're going to throw on a GoPro and we're going to go play in the mud. I'm wearing shorts today and Crocs because it's 90 degrees. So let's go play in the mud. Ready? Shift up. You got to shift up. Pull it up. All the way up till it clicks. There you go. Come on. Slow. Trying to teach him how to drive a Honda. I forgot he's already drove an automatic, which is kind of crazy because all I drove was stick shifts back in the day, or push shifts. Because all we had was a Bayou 220, and yeah, that's all you really had. This always looks like something straight out of a horror movie when I go through here. I'm like, man. And that ain't even talking about all the spider webs y'all can't see. I think we got a little more water today. What's going on here?
What happened?
The fan's not coming on right now. The fan's supposed to come on.
But you got a fan?
Yeah, you have a fan. Yours is running. Come on, go, go, go! You're stuck. Landon, you stuck, buddy. I'll push you out. No, you want to go that way. That way. That way. There you go. You gotta go that way, Landon. Why would you go that way? You've never been that way. Oh crap, I'm falling. He's crossing that. What, you scared? You know to go that way. You've never gone this way. You went the total wrong way. Oh. That big Polaris is in my way. Hello, Polaris. Ah! Still don't know why the fans ain't working. Wild cup broke loose, maybe. But I can't get in it because the shitty design here. There's no quick release. Everything has to be prop riveted. And this ain't good because landing's following so slow. I need to get back so it doesn't overheat. Come on, Landon. Come on, you got it. There you go.
Eventually.
So the wire came off the fan. I found it and I plugged it in, but I don't got my truck, so I don't got crimples or anything. So hopefully it stays like it's supposed to. We'll see. The problem is he doesn't quite understand how to shift. I keep telling him, hey, when it revs up, shift. He shifts, but then it leaves it in the gill. Okay. How deep was it? How deep was it? Oh yeah, good job, Landon. That's an A+. You did great that time. Are you gonna go through it or not? Nah?
I just want to ride now.
You gonna ride? Mud is knocking the fan's wire out. I gotta re-crimp it, but like I said, I don't have any crimples with me, so. Okay, that's all we're gonna do for this one because the fans are messed up and I ain't trying to blow it up. I don't even know if the temperature gauge works on this thing. Hey, you wanna ride?
I thought you can.
I can ride with you.
Okay.
Maybe I can teach you a thing or two. Red light didn't come back on, did it?
I did the neutral thing.
Good, see, you're learning. That's the red light you don't want on. See, it's not on. Now shift, now you're gonna shift up once. It's hard, now drive. Oh, not all the way, easy. Now keep driving, keep revving. Keep revving. You hear how the motor's vibrate, now shift up again. Let go of the throttle for 1 second, yep, there you go. Go again, keep going. You hear how it's revving up again, shift up again.
I tried doing it.
Yeah, it's hard.
It ain't working.
It's hard, buddy. I'll give you that. Well, guys, as always, when you have used equipment breaks. But we were able to send the Polaris a little bit. I might put some extra in here depending on what we do today. Who knows? Anyways, Landon, what do you say?
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. We're probably going to take the Polaris to the mud hole. I mean, it's just a while, guys. I just don't have any of my stuff. My truck is not here. I rode with my wife, so I couldn't really do anything. Anyways, guys, we will see you on the next one.
A few moments later.
Are there? Are there? See, watch. It was just, I can see him under the water for a second. Oh, there they are. They're circling us like a bunch of sharks. Joseph, they're behind you. Run. Remember, assert dominance. Poke them in the eye.